I'm Lovanaya. I'm 14 years old. I live in Hong Kong. I go to South Island School. I'm in year 10, 9th grade. And I've come here to learn more about vocal training and voiceover artists and how to improve my speeches and how to just become a better speaker. To improve my voice, how I talk, and my confidence in front of an audience. Hello and welcome to the JSB Healthcare YouTube channel. Today we're going to demonstrate the working of the JSB MZ12 recliner massage chair with zero gravity, which helps you to relax and rejuvenate. This massage chair has a dedicated massage routine which you can customize as per your needs. Also, its zero gravity massage will ensure maximum comfort and relaxation after a tired day at work. Not to forget, the comprehensive control panel which lets you choose different modes and massage techniques. It was a great experience. I learned a lot more about the voiceover industry and how there's so many roles you can play. Also, I learned about like radio jockeys, anchors, and what they have to do, what it's like to be them. And when I first started, I wasn't very confident because I didn't know much, but I feel now I'm not as afraid to try different voices, different characters, and so on.
Take a deep breath.
Script 1. Working with the communists to try and destroy the monumental building.
So, are we ready?
Yes.
So this is second script now. Okay, please. Ready? Take.
The teaching was very systematic. There was almost like a lesson plan for each lesson, and if you look at my notes, you would be able to just like know what I've learned because everything was in just so much detail. And if I ever missed out on anything, I could always ask or look at my notes again and things like that.
Can we have a one option for this script, like a little more sad voice?
Okay.
Just exhibiting the painful distress situation. Okay?
Yeah.
Like a news reporter. Okay? So imagine yourself. We will take another option for this same script. Homelessness in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Yeah, a bit mature voice.
Okay.
Yeah, ready. Take.
You can become a voiceover artist, you can become a radio jockey, you can become an anchor, or if you're in school, you can be like giving presentations, become an MC, and so on.
Yeah, I'm just giving you a cue.
People don't have a place they can call home.
Come.
Because of the expensive house rent.
Good.
60% of the people interviewed. I think I would be comfortable with cartoons. It would take me some time to become very confident and try a wide range of voices, but I think I can get there. And I could become a TV news anchor. That's also possible. Percent of the people interviewed by the Hong Kong Free Press said they had stable jobs, but their salary could not cover.
Okay, there was a fumble in there. Okay.
Yeah, had stable jobs.
So we will come do after the jobs.
Said they had.
Okay, now. Okay. Yeah. Take. Now. Just check it.
Bonjour, je suis de Dalmayan. Je pense que je suis travailleux toutefois.
Yeah, is it fine?
Yes.
Yeah, because I have edited a little bit. Bonjour and all that stuff. So what does that mean, by the way? Bonjour?
That's like hello.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello means bonjour,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Bonjour. That's hello. Okay.
Bonjour.
Right. Okay.
It was fun, but it was strange like listening to myself do it because in my mind I sounded like something, but then when I was listening to it, it sounded a bit different, so that was a bit.
Tree, and just do that part, all the dialogues of Neem Tree, and after that the second character, and after that third character.
So do I just go neem tree?
Yeah, yeah.
This one is about today, geometry.
Yeah.
Salt tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
There is no issue about the voice changing and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So just we will do one character one by one.
Oh.
You got my point?
So I do all of the neem tree lines.
Yes, exactly.
I
Now
see.
you got it.
Okay, yeah.
So are we ready?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry?
3 lines.
Okay, there are 3 lines for
Yeah.
the jamun tree. What we can do is, can you just change your position a little bit? Like so that you can just come forward, maybe you can face the mic. It helps to change your voice. Okay?
Okay.
Apart from your tricks, it will further help. Okay?
I would, but depends on what it is, because there's some things I'm not very good at in the voiceover industry. Some voices I can't do, so it really depends on the job that they are offering.
To create 2 voices now, so
Yeah.
there is a distinction a little bit. So now we will do the third voice. Okay?
Yeah.
So settle down. We are ready for the third voice, the salt tree, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. Take.
Sultry. The smell on some days is just unbearable. The birds are just as bad. They nest on our branches and make so much noise, especially in the morning and evening. But I've had enough. I cannot take their mess and their noise. It was good. It feels a bit strange now. And it was exciting and fun and a bit hard sometimes, but it wasn't something I couldn't do.
Huge, big tree.
Huge.
Okay? Yeah, so try to make your voice just...
People tree. My friends, you're not...
No, this is not like very timid and meek, you know? It has to be a giant tree.
My friends, you're not being...
You're not being wise.
Yeah.
Okay? Ready?
Yep.
Use your throat muscles like this, you know? Do like this. My friends, you are not being wise. Okay?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yep.
Take.
There's a lot of hard work you have to put in, and it's quite fun at times. It can be hard, and you have to really learn to be very confident and not give up and keep trying, because if you give up, then you won't be able to do anything.